All right, figured I'd make a quick video on swapping the cabin air filter. They're obviously from China. I'll put the link in the description. Something that gets overlooked quite often, and it's super easy to do. This is all you do. Take the stuff out of your glove box. Set you guys up right here for a second. Alright, pop that guy out. You just pull up on the tabs here and here. Then you're going to slide this up, pop it out. Then you're gonna, there's little tiny clips right here. And you just pull that side in. Pull that side in. The cover will pop off. Here's your cabin filter. This filters out everything coming in from the outside. I'll leave the link in the description. But this guy is a activated carbon, so it's supposed to filter out a whole bunch of stuff. This one's pretty cool. Comes with a little trim tool. Looks like a little T20, T25. We don't need that. And then it tells you to put the side with the white filter and blue line up, so it doesn't get much easier than that. But check this out, it's got like honeycomb in there, carbon activated. Yeah, I think this was like you can hear the little, oh, those are all little carbon balls. Pretty legit. So it even gives you a little pull tab. This thing's nice, man. I think this was like 18 or 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Doesn't say which way to put it as far as this way, but I'm guessing with this pull tab that you just throw it in that way, and then like the instructions say, straightforward, boom, we got this side, black side's here, so we got the white side up. And yeah, oh, this is nice. Has foam on the side, super snug fit. Oh, that's legit. So yeah, you just push that in, take your little cover. Hold on a second, there we go. Take your cover. This should just click back in. The little tabs right here. Same thing on this side. Just push it till it clicks in. Boom, nice and snug. This one, you just come through, put it in the slot, and clip it down, just like that. Done deal. Then you take your, if you have one of these, little divider. There's clips at the bottom here. These clip into the side. Kind of just locks in. And then you throw your stuff back in, you're good to go. Throw all your stuff back in all nice like. Done deal. Amazon special. I'll put the link in the description. Definitely an upgrade from this garbage. And again, I already cleaned this out and you can still see how nasty that is. So throw that in the trash. Take your cool little free interior popper tool and T25 Allen. Throw that in the toolbox and freaking enjoy that clean air. Later, dudes.